Today I show you a method what will allow to you save money on cleaning any optics and lenses. Start from today, you will not need to buy expensive lens cleaner pencil and spend money. Hello everyone, привет все, and welcome back to very excited video blog. I have here is a lens what is dirty. So what I need? Lens, ear stick, a spoon, lighter, and punching bag for lens cleaner. Take a lighter and a clean spoon. After we will do so to make a black like this. You make to use a gas burner because otherwise you may get side effects. Gas released during the combustion to atomic carbon, which is cooled and does not have time to turn carbon dioxide, CO2, and as a result, you get a pool of clear carbon on the surface of the spoon. Now we take a stick and smear on a stick. Now we clean the lens. When we can blow this by air. That's all. Please support my channel via PayPal or Patreon. Bye.